In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ClickUp and Slack. By the end, you'll have your work and conversations connected, so updates can flow smoothly between the two tools, and your team can stay in sync without jumping between tabs. First, open your ClickUp account and make sure you're signed in. We'll do everything from inside ClickUp, so keep it open in your browser. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. If your window is narrow, this panel might be collapsed. Hover over the edge or expand it so you can see the full menu. In that left panel, look for the option labeled More. Depending on your layout or theme, it may appear as a word or an icon with 3 dots. Click that to reveal additional options. From there, select Apps. This is where ClickUp keeps its integrations and add-ons, and it's the quickest way to connect external tools. Inside the Apps section, locate Slack. If the list is long, use the search bar at the top to type Slack so it appears right away. Click Slack to open its integration page, then choose Connect. This starts the connection flow between ClickUp and Slack. Now, simply follow the prompts on your screen. A small window may appear asking you to confirm which Slack workspace you want to use and what permissions you're granting. Take a quick moment to read what's being requested so you understand how the integration will post messages or pull information. If you're part of multiple Slack workspaces, double check you're selecting the correct one for your team. When you're ready, continue through the prompts and approve the connection. If your organization has admin controls, you might see a note indicating that an administrator needs to approve the app. In that case, proceed as directed on the screen and wait for approval before continuing. Once you complete the prompts, you should see a confirmation inside ClickUp indicating the connection was successful. In many setups, you'll also notice that Slack lists ClickUp as an authorized app. That's a good sign everything is linked properly. If anything doesn't look right, like Slack not appearing in the apps list or the connect button being unavailable, refresh your browser and try again, or verify you have the necessary permissions in both tools. Minor interface differences are normal, but the path remains the same. Open ClickUp, use the left panel to find more, select apps, choose Slack, click connect, and follow the on-screen prompts. And that's it. Your ClickUp and Slack are now linked, keeping tasks and conversations aligned so your team can move faster with fewer manual updates.